The second largest cryptocurrency in the world is getting bigger and bigger, and the prices are reaching new record highs. With the prices of Ether being just under the $1,000 mark earlier this year, and later crossing the $4,000 mark, what will the future look like for Ether? Well, let's find out. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we discuss the prices of Ether and what's the future gonna look like for Ethereum. But before we begin, a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on our videos. Also, drop a like on this video as well. Alright, now you're done with all of those, let's discuss Ethereum, shall we? There is no doubt about the fact that cryptocurrencies will change the way the current financial world works. Blockchain technology also changed how the world works due to its applications in banking, fintech, and the healthcare sector. We have companies now accepting payments in cryptocurrencies. And we also have companies like PayPal jumping on the board for cryptocurrency. Even the two of the world's largest payment platforms like Visa and MasterCard are now planning to accept some sort of cryptocurrency transactions, which is big news when you look at the utility of the cryptocurrencies that we currently have. Paying your employees with cryptocurrency means that the transactions happen instantaneously with a minimal fuss or sometimes no fees at all. Using cryptocurrencies for international transactions means you're cutting down the middleman fees, and you can save a lot of money in the process. Even crowdfunding platforms can adopt cryptocurrencies as their primary payment methods, because cryptocurrencies use blockchain to validate payments, and this means that the transaction can be made transparent. Now, let's come back to Ethereum and Ether. Yes, they are two different things. For starters, Ether is the currency that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum blockchain does have so many features like smart contracts, Ethereum virtual machine, decentralized applications, or DApps as most of you would like to call it, and also decentralized autonomous organizations. Smart contracts are now changing the way traditional contracts work. Simply put, smart contracts are computer programs that facilitate the exchange of any valuable assets like money, property, or any digital asset between two parties. Ethereum networks are capable of creating these contracts, and once these smart contracts are executed, they cannot be altered in any way. Also, any transaction that's done on top of these smart contracts is registered permanently. Now, the Ethereum virtual machine is something that's designed to operate as a runtime environment for compiling and deploying Ethereum-based smart contracts. This machine understands the language of smart contracts as well. A decentralized autonomous organization is a digital organization that operates without hierarchical management, and it works in a decentralized and democratic fashion. So, why are the prices of Ether increasing when you compare it to what was happening at the beginning of the year? Well, Ether is currently the second largest cryptocurrency in the world right now, with a market capitalization of $441.814 billion during the making of this video, and this value keeps on changing. The Bitcoin price rally has affected the altcoins too, as you can see from the increase in their prices. This is because all the factors, or at least most of the factors that affect the prices of Bitcoin, also affect Ether. Bitcoin and other altcoins like Ether also grabbed the attention of the investors when the pandemic situation forced the stock market to go south. Most of these investors' attention went towards Bitcoin, but even altcoins like Ether gained a lot of investors, which is very evident from the current price. The price rally also grabbed the attention of institutional investors, and these are the types of investors that invest in millions, and they're also capable of moving the market forward at a much faster pace. We also had many celebrities like Elon Musk and others who talked about cryptocurrencies on social media, and this also fueled the interest of investors. Mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies is one of the many reasons why cryptocurrencies are increasing in value. Ethereum is also trying to be different from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still using the proof-of-work concept, and on the other hand, Ethereum is transitioning to the proof-of-stake model with the Ethereum 2.0 update. The proof-of-stake model takes out the labor work from the whole mining process that Bitcoin's famous for. The proof-of-stake model will also solve the issue regarding energy wastage, as there won't be any mining involved, at least in its traditional forms. Also, there won't be any competition to solve the computational puzzles, and this will reduce the demand for mining hardware. This means more people will be a part of the validation process. Other than the transition from the proof-of-work to the proof-of-stake model, with the Ethereum 2.0 update, Ethereum is also incorporating a mechanism known as sharding, which will improve the overall efficiency of the Ethereum network. With the current version of Ethereum, any data added to the blockchain is to be verified by all the nodes, and this reduces the processing speed, and you'll also see higher transaction costs. But with sharding, the tasks are now broken down into a smaller set of nodes, and these nodes are supposedly to verify only the data that they received. With Ethereum 2.0, the transaction speed will be improved from 30 per second to a whopping 10,000 transactions per second. Ethereum 2.0 will also be more secure, as it now requires a large set of validators. Now, let us talk about the price forecasts for Ether. According to Digital Coin, Ether will remain bullish, and we expect the prices to be double the price of what we have today, or at least somewhat near that mark by 2025. The average price, according to them, would be at around $4,813 in 2021, and this price will rise to about $6,014 by the end of 2022. And by 2025, we are looking at a price of $10,406 and $15,092 by 2028. Then we have the algorithm-based forecasting service by the name Wallet Investor, and they're optimistic about Ether prices as well. The price prediction by this service is at around $3,820 by the end of this year, and by the end of next year, the prices can be as high as $5,230. According to the Economic Forecast Agency, the price will rise from $5,214 at the end of May to $14,320 at the end of December 2021, peaking at $22,303 in July 2022, and then dropping back to $18,026 by the end of 2022, and $15,650 by December 2023, and $9,442 by December 2024. As you can see, the price predictions are not similar, as it's very hard to clearly predict the process of something as volatile as cryptocurrencies, as the prices can fluctuate heavily. We also have experts predicting that Ether will be the most widely transacted digital currency by the end of 2022, and Ether might even edge out Bitcoin. The reasons why analysts expect Ether to be bullish is because the blockchain developers are rolling out new DeFi applications, and this will increase the rate of adoption. So to sum up, if the Ether price manages to remain above the $3,000 mark, Ether does have the potential for a further rise in prices. And that brings us to the next question: should you invest in Ether today? Well, the answer to that question will depend on your risk tolerance. Cryptocurrencies are very risky investments because the market is very dynamic. This very nature of cryptocurrencies makes it very difficult to provide accurate predictions in regards to the prices. Currently, one of the most significant advantages of the Ethereum blockchain is its flexibility. Yep, the Ethereum blockchain is known for having Ether as its currency, but it's also used for NFTs or non-fungible tokens, enterprise blockchain solutions, and decentralized finance. Ethereum is also the basis for all NFT transactions, which means if you want to get your NFTs, you need Ether for that. Well, what we mean to say with all of this is the fact that Ethereum is not just about Ether, but it has a lot of other applications outside the cryptocurrency world. So, in a very unfortunate future where Ether and other cryptocurrencies fail to make an impact, Ethereum can still be used for something else. So, because of the popularity of decentralized finance and NFTs, Ethereum is actually more useful than Bitcoin. Decentralized finance can recreate traditional finance instruments like loans, which can replace the banks that we currently have. And most of these decentralized finance projects are built on top of Ethereum, which means that more and more users are flooding the Ethereum network. If you're not new to investing and you have a very diversified portfolio, then Ether is a good choice when you consider the dip in prices during the making of this video. Currently, Ethereum is much cheaper than Bitcoin, and the team behind Ethereum is working on improving the utility of Ethereum. Bitcoin's major selling point has been its utility as a store of value, but Ethereum's network is powerful, open source, and has better utility too. Once again, do your own research by analyzing the market trend and seeking expert opinions. It's still the best way to start out as an investor. Before you invest in Ether or any cryptocurrencies, ask yourself if you'll be able to sleep properly in case you lose your investment by 30% or even 50%. If you can, then it's safe to invest. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you really appreciate what we do here, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell button to be notified of our new uploads. Drop a like for the video if you haven't already. Catch you all in the next video.